This is probably every creator's dream, to actually make money on YouTube and live off your earnings on YouTube. But what are your options? How do you make money on YouTube? Hello and welcome to the tubics YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender from So Geht YouTube, and there are way more possibilities to make money on YouTube than I could possibly explain in this video. But I will show you the 5 most typical and proven methods that most big YouTubers use to make money on YouTube. Option number 1, probably the one we're all thinking about, is Google AdSense. That's if you give advertisers the option to put ads in front and next to your videos. To do that, you need to be a YouTube partner and have a confirmed Google AdSense account that you link with your YouTube channel. Then you need to enable monetization for every video that you want to monetize and choose which types of ads you want to display on your videos. If you want to group, then there are mainly 3 types of ads. There are display ads, the banners next to your video. Then you have the overlay ads, those are the little banners at the bottom of your video. And then you have the third type, the in-video apps. Those are the videos that show in front of your video, in the middle of your video, at the end of your video. Those can be skippable or not skippable. Those are all different types of video ads. Of the earning YouTube makes with these ads, it keeps 45% to itself, with the remaining 55% going to you as the video creator. But how much can you earn from these YouTube ads? Well, this totally depends on your channel and your niche, but you can approximately say that you get $1 per 1,000 clicks on your videos. But as I said, that totally depends on your channel, on your niche, on how much those ads are being watched and clicked by your audience, or on how small your niche is. Those are totally different factors, and it can vary between 20 cents and $4 per 1,000 clicks. And like I said in the beginning, you need to be a YouTube partner for this to work. So you need at least those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get certified as a YouTube partner and to be able to place ads in front of your video. But what if you don't have them, or you want to explore more options to make money on YouTube? Let's go to option number 2, and this is product placements. One big advantage here is that you not only not have to be a YouTube partner, but also have a significantly higher revenue possibility. And how does that work? Well, you make a deal with a company to show their product in your video, to name them as the sponsor for your video, and so on. There are different kinds of deals and different kinds of ways how you get money from those deals. And these terms completely depends on what you and the company you're working with want. So there can be a fixed price. You can say, I get a fixed price per 1,000 clicks that this video gets, like the CPMs of YouTube, but they are usually way higher. Or you can make an affiliate deal, where I will go into more detail in the next option. Or you can make a mixture out of those different options, so you get a fixed price plus an additional price per every 1,000 clicks that the video gets. And like I said, the revenue for this is usually way higher than the YouTube ads. But one important thing that I want to tell you: don't just do every deal just because you can and just because you get money from this deal. If you do too many deals with different companies, it can destroy your YouTube channel because you lose your integrity. So make sure that you actually like the products that you're advertising, and that you would recommend these products no matter if the company gave you money for that or not, to not lose your integrity and to not make your fans angry and abandon your channel. I already mentioned option number 3, and it's quite similar to option 2, but different in some kinds of ways, and this is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that you place a specific link to a service or to a product in your video or under your video, and if someone clicks on your link and buys the product or service, you get a percentage of the revenue. Like in option 2, you can also make affiliate deals with individual companies, but most bigger companies already have an affiliate program in place, so you can just go in, register, and start using this affiliate program and sharing the affiliate links. For example, on Amazon, it's called Amazon PartnerNet, and you can link to pretty much every product there is on Amazon and get an affiliate provision. In option number 4, we go from advertising to your viewers to actually selling directly to your viewers or getting the money directly from your viewers. And this option is Patreon. You've probably heard of Patreon, but if not, it's kind of like a crowdfunding platform. But unlike other crowdfunding platforms, you can get recurring revenue from Patreon because viewers can set up a monthly payment to the content creators and get specific perks for this. These perks can totally vary from YouTuber to YouTuber, and you can set up what you want or what you think your viewers would enjoy. You can let them see the videos in advance, or you can make specific live streams for them. You can give them a behind the scenes look and so on. You can completely choose what you want to show and give your viewers for being a patron. And this leads us to the last and fifth option, and this is the one with the highest possible profit, and this is to have your own products or your own services. If you do it right and use YouTube properly as a marketing instrument for your own business, for your own products, for your own services, you can get the highest revenues as you're not getting a share of a specific product that you don't control, but you actually sell your viewers products that you yourself own. This of course means that you need to have or you need to create your own business, your own services, your own products, but like I said, this holds the highest possible revenue. Okay, let's go into a quick executive summary and summarize the three main options that you can make money on YouTube. We've discussed 5, but we can probably categorize them in 3 options. First option is AdSense, the typical YouTube ads in front of your videos. Option number 2, you can directly work together with a company to advertise their products or services. Or number 3, you can sell directly to your viewers if you have a Patreon or you sell your own products. I hope I could give you some ideas on how you could start making money on YouTube. But before you can do this, you need to have an existing YouTube channel. You need to have a growing YouTube channel. If you want to get there, tubics can help you. Tubics is a tool that can help you to improve your videos, to be discovered on YouTube and grow your YouTube channel. If you want to learn more, click on this link and make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's it for now. Bye, your Jan.